Hello YouTube. So this is my first video on this channel. This channel is going to be about my Trading 212 portfolio and my investing journey with Trading 212. Many of you know that they brought out a new pie investing tool on Trading 212 app. It's very good. It's basically you can make your own index fund essentially. So you can pick some stocks. You can have many different stocks. You can have hundreds of stocks in each pie. I've only got 10 in my pie, as I'll show you in a minute, because mine's going to be a guaranteed growth pie. So in my opinion, these stocks are all guaranteed to keep growing steadily over the years. Investing should be a 5 to 10 year plan. If you're not willing to lock away your money for a minimum of 5 years, then it's really no point in investing, because you are going to have lows, you're going to have highs. To get the best returns, you need an average of both of those. So in my opinion, you need to invest regularly, ignore the news, and patience is key. So without further ado, here is my investing pie on Trading 212. So as you can see, there's £49.99. I've started off by putting £50 in a month. This is my first month. So the market's not open yet. Got another few hours before the market opens. So only one stock has been invested so far, and it's gone down by a penny. So that is why it's £49.99 instead of £50, and the other £45 is held in cash. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to go through my holdings. So I've split my pie into 10 slices. These are the companies that I've chosen: Walt Disney, Amazon, Apple, Tesla, Google, Unilever, McDonald's, Alibaba, Neo, and Netflix. Okay, the reason I picked these is, like I said before, I think these are all guaranteed growth stocks. They're all going to keep growing. The only one in there that some would say is a bit risky is Neo, but I've done a lot of research into Neo and I can see good things coming from this company, so that's why I put that in the mix as well. I've done an even 10% split across each company. So when my £50 goes in at the end of each month, £5 will be allocated to each share. So as you can see, at the moment, only one share has gone through. The rest are waiting till the market opens and then they'll go in. So the important thing to remember about when you do these pies is you need to pick fractional shares. So you need to pick companies that let you do fractional shares. There's a lot of companies, most of the big players on Trading 212 now let you do fractional shares. And what fractional shares means, for those of you that don't know, that for example Tesla, I think that's sitting at around £800 per one share. A lot of people don't want to invest £800 into one share, or they haven't got that sort of money to invest in one share. So what's good about fractional shares, it lets you buy a fraction of a share. So you can literally buy fraction shares. So you don't have to buy the full £800. You could buy sort of even as low as 10p. You could invest in Tesla, which is a great feature. Not many platforms offer this. Trading 212 is one of the only platforms that offers so many companies to be able to bought on fractional shares. It's similar with Bitcoin. If you was to buy a Bitcoin, one Bitcoin is, I don't know what they are at the moment. Are they 13,000 at the moment? I'm not too sure. I haven't been following them because cryptocurrency is very risky and it's not something I'm interested in. But I know with Bitcoin, you don't have to buy one whole Bitcoin. You can purchase like a fraction of a Bitcoin, for example. You can invest like £100 and get a part of a Bitcoin. So it's similar with fractional shares. It's a very good way of splitting your money and not putting too much money in one company just for one share. So that's what's so good about this pie feature on Trading 212. So like I said, this is a new YouTube channel. This is the first of many videos. I'm going to do updates every month, minimum one update a month, just to show you how my portfolio is growing and just to really show you that you don't need a lot of money to get involved with investing. £50 a month is more than enough just to get you started and get a feel of it and get you excited about it as you watch it grow. So just to run through my pie, the overview, like I said, I'm putting £50 in a month. £5 already been invested. £45 is cash waiting to be invested in the other stocks. I've got dividend income. So the companies that provide dividend income, dividends are where the company pays out some of its profits to shareholders. So when you're only investing in a small amount, you won't get very much at all. You'll get 1 or 2 pence. But what is very important, in my opinion, is to put the auto reinvest feature on. You have 2 features. You can turn it on or off. If you turn it off, then if you get any dividends, it will just put it into your free funds section. So essentially leave it as cash. Therefore, it won't be growing. So that's why I've chosen to put mine on, so it reinvests in the stock, and over years that's where you get the beauty of compound growth. So compound interest, sorry. But yeah, compound growth, compound interest over many years. My goal is to save up 20,000. So again, it's just an experiment to see how quickly I can get there just by investing £50 a month. So that's why I've set my goal for 20,000. So the holdings I've already been through. I've shown you how to split those. Auto invest. So this will show you my schedule. I've chose my schedule for the end of the month. Only because default it comes up the 18th of the month, so I just viewed that everyone's automatic ones, people that don't change the date, would be going at the 18th, so therefore the price of the stock market might be inflated because everyone's chipping in at the same time. So I've just moved it to a few days later just to allow it to level out a little bit. £50 a month, and then it says 2031 on there, so that can be adjusted as and when you please, but I've done mine over a course of a 10-year period just for now for this experiment. Auto invest is turned on, like I said, so that will make sure that every single month I'm investing. Sharing, so I'll put a link to my pie in the description if you want to check it out, or if you want to copy it. Also, if you're not already following me on Twitter, Let's Talk Stocks 1. And I've had 4 people view my pie so far. So, like I said, it's a very new YouTube channel. The Twitter account's very new as well. It hasn't got many followers at all. Just started it out. Just wanted to kind of do an experiment just to see how quick you can grow a portfolio, really, by just investing £50 a month. Because there's a lot of accounts out there where people are pumping in 1,600 and maxing out their ISAs and all this sort of stuff. And in my opinion, that's unrealistic for a lot of people, especially people that have only just discovered investing. So, and they just want to dip their toes in the water. So I'm going to wrap the video up here. This is kind of an intro video. Just so you're full disclosure, I'm in no way, shape or form a financial advisor. I just enjoy investing. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.